Welcome to percentage increase and decrease. So the first thing we're going to look at is increasing by a percentage. So the way that we've looked at this before is that you find the percentage of the quantity and you add it on, because increase means to go up. So you add it on to the original number. Today we're looking at the quick method, which is to increase by a percentage, you multiply your original number by 100% plus the percentage increase. So you're going to do 100% plus the percentage increase, and then you're going to multiply that by the original. Example 1. So we're going to increase $300 by 12%. So step 1, because it's an increase, that's 100% plus the percentage increase, which is 12%, gives us 112%, and we multiply that by the original, which is $300, to give us $336. Decreasing by a percentage. So you find the percentage of the quantity and you subtract from the original number. So that's a way that we've learnt before. The quick method is that you do 100% minus the percentage decrease, and then you multiply that by the original number. So as an example, if I decrease $300 by 12%, so step 1, I do 100% because it's decrease, 100% minus 12%, which is 88%, and then I find that percentage of the original, 88% times $300, which is $264. So when we do harder applications, you really need to know how to do the quick method. So when we know that a number has already been increased by 15% to 62.1, and we want to find the original number, so that means we've got to undo the process. So note in the question the number was increased by 15%. So that's the first thing we focus on. Increased by 15%. So the quick method is it's 100% plus the percentage increase of 15% to give us 115%. So 115% times the original number is equal to 62.1. And we know that the opposite of times is divide. So therefore the original number is 62.1 divided by 115%, giving us the original number is equal to 54. A shout out to Izzy. Thank you.